Welcome to This Explainer. Let's build an Agile KPI dashboard that actually drives delivery. Ready? Let's dive in. Ever wonder why your team keeps missing sprint goals, even when everyone looks incredibly busy? Well, Kanban research shows something shocking. Work spends 85% of its life cycle literally just waiting around. An Agile KPI dashboard fixes this. It puts all your critical flow metrics into one real-time view. First up, capacity. You'll track your team's delivery potential using velocity, sprint burndowns, and overall throughput. Next are speed metrics. Lead time is your customer's wait, while cycle time tracks internal process efficiency. Finally, flow metrics. Work in progress flags volume issues, and time and status pinpoints your exact bottlenecks. But here's the catch. Relying on native Jira gadgets might actually be distorting your agile reporting. Native tools count weekends, so a Friday to Monday ticket falsely looks like a massive 2-day bottleneck. Not great. To get accurate insights, you really need a dedicated app with specialized gadgets. Let's look at 2. Gadget 1 is accurate time and status. Honestly, think of this as your ultimate bottleneck radar. It spots bottlenecks and perfectly calculates cycle and lead times by grouping specific workflow statuses together. Gadget 2 is the Burndown status tracker. This one is built specifically to monitor overall workflow health. It tracks movement over time, showing you exactly where work piles up and stalls during a sprint. So, 3 takeaways to succeed. Match the dashboard to your audience, define groups, and configure working calendars.
Stop guessing. Try time and status for Jira free today. What hidden bottlenecks will you finally uncover?